Whawtailo sungal whawhiangainga, ia mo le tāpenanga. Lau whionga le suifong whetalai, Minister Kabineta, whaipule le mauta o le Parlimene, o le mamalo le au malaulia. Your Excellency, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China in Samoa, Mr. Charles Xiaoling, the Project Manager of Hunan International Business Vocational College, Mr. San Feifu, and his team of trainers and interpreters, honorable members of Cabinet, members of Parliament, members of District Council, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor for me on behalf of the government of Samoa to welcome you all here today to the official closing ceremony of the training course on Samoa Creative Handicrafts and Sewing Technology, as well as the graduation of our participants who have successfully completed the training program. This program was officially opened on the 21st of August, 2023, and the training commenced immediately until the 5th of October, 2023, which was yesterday. A total of 7 weeks of intensive practical training. There is at least one representative from each district nominated by their respective district councils. The training was conducted by sewing experts from the Hunan International Business Vocational College under the leadership of their project manager, Mr. San Feifu. They were commissioned by the Ministry of Commerce of the People's Republic of China. The main purpose of this training program was to equip our women and youth with life skills, to economically empower them to start their own small businesses, to support their families and communities. This training is part of the government's efforts to realize our national priorities set out in the pathway for the development of Samoa, BDS 2021 to 2026, which is including improving social development, alleviating poverty, people's empowerment, as well as community development. This training program would not have been possible without the assistance of the People's Republic of China. China continues to respond to our calls for help and has added a lot of value to our development. And I am happy to see the successful completion of this training program, and am confident that the investment was worth it. I also had the opportunity to look at some of the items sewn by participants, and I was very impressed with the progress. I wish to acknowledge with gratitude the Hunan International Business Vocational College Project Manager, Mr. San Feifu, and his team of trainers and translators for their time and dedication. I also wish to thank the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade and the Chinese Embassy in Samoa for facilitating the whole process. I also thank all the district councils for responding to our call for participation, to the staff and all those who contributed to the success of this program. Without a doubt, this training was an opportunity to develop professionals and personal network, relationship and friendship among participants, translators, trainers, and ministry staff. Finally, I wish to commend our participants for their commitment and patience. Whamālo tātou au Faai'uina nei aso. Tautaiae, mālo whaiol whaiva. Mālo whaatotoa, mālo le onsai. Vi le atua, wai umalimanuia le nei whamoe moe. Ai maise o le awanoa wai a tāpenaina mo o tau. Whaafitai fo I tātou whona whaavai, mo le whaamua mua ua watu, e whaalau tele ina ai le to mai ma le angawaa. Sanga iane ai o le tai. E whaonga tatau le to mai fau ua maua, e atu ina e ai ainga, nuu ma e ka le sia. Ina ia whaawa wina pele nei to mai, o le alu lava le tangata whaau, ma ave lava lana la au sisu. Mana mea whainga luenga, e a mata ai sana pitinis, e ati na e ai lo na ainga, o lo na nuu, male e ka le sia. To sustain and ensure the continuity of this program, every participant will be gifted the sewing machine and tools they use during training to start a small business to support their families and community. I wish everyone here all the best and wishing all the children of Samoa a happy White Sunday. I now declare the 7 weeks of the Samoa Creative Handicrafts and Sewing Technology Training 2023 officially closed. Mawatapunia loa ia nei le tātou po kalame suisu ilua o lua tolu, soifua mai manuia.
The Honorable Minister of Women, Community and Social Development, Ms. Munipola Anna Losa Alimonio. Sorry. Honorable Minister of Cabinet, Member of Parliament, dear teacher from Auai International Business Vocational College, all the training from the different districts of Samoa, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, talofa lava and good morning. It is a great honor for me to attend to the closing ceremony for the training course on handicraft, on creative handicraft and sewing technology today. First of all, on behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Samoa, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to the Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development of Samoa. The training course cannot be so successful without your coordination and your support. Secondly, my thanks also go to the organizer, Auai International Business Vocational College, and the dear teacher. Your professional knowledge and dedication are so impressive. Most importantly, I want to express my warm congratulations to all the trainees who have invested a lot of time and energy to participate in the training course. I do believe that you will make full use of your knowledge you have learned from the training course and create a better life in the future. The training course lasted nearly 2 months, covered all districts of Upolu and Auai Island, with a totaling 84 trainees participating, it including design and production of suits, children's clothing, dress, shirt, casual wear, and clothing with local specialty, and clothing ironing and package as well. More than 1,000 pieces of children's clothes, 300 pieces of clothing for adults, and 16 pieces of clothing with local specialties have been produced. The trainees have gained basic skill of drafting using and repairing sewing machine. Ladies and gentlemen, as As the Chinese President Xi Jinping said, amity between the people hold the key to sound state-to-state relations. The training course is a microcosm of the people-to-people exchange and the friendship between China and Samoa. We have been working very closely with capacity building and cooperation in human resource so as to assist Samoans to achieve the goal of sustainable social and economic development. During the past decade, China has trained over 2,300 Samoa persons across a wide range of areas, including agriculture, public health, internet technology, transport infrastructure, public security, international trade, etc. The Chinese government and its embassy in Samoa will further working together with the Samoa government to facilitate our cooperation and exchange in various fields, bring tangible benefit to the two people and the two countries. Thank you. Faai'uina.